All right, in this video, I want to talk about the base.html file found inside templates. The base.html is what controls the items on the page that don't change within the site. So in this page, we would put stuff like our CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, our look and feel. Okay. We also can put in here the navigation bar. Okay. So you'll see after you get past the CSS and up in this head. So you'll notice that one from here to the top, you'll get a thing called head. Okay. That's where the title will be for the very, very, very top. That goes at the very top. And that's where it'll give all the look and feel and attach the Cascading Style Sheet documents. Then in the body itself, you'll see that usually you get the nav bar next. Okay. So this is where the Claude will put the nav bar. Okay. And then after that, notice it put a container for the flash message, if there's flash messages. And then at the very end, there's one for scripts in case you want to have scripts in the footer. And then right here is where all the content goes. Now notice this content just says block, end block. Okay. That means, and then this right here is what is called, it's called content. So block, end block is Jenga code that says anything that is inside this content tag will be put into here. So if we open up, say, examples, notice up here, this block is called content. Okay. So if we go back to base, this content right here will go in line 159, just as if it's just right there. Okay. So all the code, where it goes, all of this code from 3 all the way down to here will just be all based off of and get shoved right into that base file. Okay. That's how base works. Notice also that animals has to extend the base. So every one of these will say extend base. And all we put on our other HTML files is just the content. So we don't have anything about what's in the site header. We don't have our navigation. All we put is the content, the stuff that goes basically in the center of the page. Okay. And that way the whole site looks awesome. It looks like how it's supposed to look, and you only have to change that one file. Okay. So that is base, and that is, that's how we do the look and feel. So if you go back to base, most of the look and feel is based off of this bootstrap idea. Okay. And you can adjust it by, changing the CSS here, which by the way, Claude does a very good job. Okay.